Hello traders, today is January 26, 2015. This is the Binary Matrix Pro Trade by Trade video diary. Let's get started. I've got a put signal to start things off today, dollar yen. And with the put signal, we're going to be looking for the price to go down from, it looks like, 256. All right, so back to check on our position here. We've got a put option on dollar yen. Entered at 256. Right now we're about 26 pips below that, give or take. Looking pretty good. So our first trade for today is going to be a win. And there we go, $33. Our next signal is a call on the Swissy. $20 invested. Payout on this is $34. Let's see what happens. All right, trading 60-second binary options. Each one of the trades that we enter lasts exactly 60 seconds. And this one right here has exited. Price is above the strike rate, which is fantastic. And that means we're going to have a win. There's $34 in the bank. Up next is a call on British pound dollar. Going to be looking for the price to go up from 0.77. All right, so as you can see from the chart there, the market has gone in the opposite direction a little bit. We're just a couple of pips away, and that's a loss. First one for today. All right, we've got a call signal on Aussie dollar up next. And our position is 009. Here we go. Just a few seconds left on the clock, and call signal looking pretty good right now. It has dipped below the strike rate. I don't know if we caught that in time. And we did, so it's a $34 win. We've got a call signal on British pound dollar up next. Here we go. And we're back to check our trade. Just a couple seconds left on this position. Everything looks good. We're about 6 pips above our strike rate. And that means we're going to get a win. There's $34. Our next trade for today is a put on Aussie dollar. And we're in. All right, I've got a put signal on Aussie dollar that we are monitoring here. And this trade, I think, is going to be a winner. We are about 27 pips below. There we go, $34. We've got a call signal on USD Canadian up next. $20 investment. Payout is $34. Here we go. All right, so with these 60-second binary options, what you need to do is pick an investment amount and just stick with that. That way, when you do experience a loss, you will be able to manage those accordingly. Know the most that you can lose on any trade. Here's the $34 win. Up next, a call signal on Aussie dollar. And it looks like we are in at 953. So we entered this trade at 953. We did a call signal, so we're looking for the price to go up, and the current price is 983. So we're about 30 pips above our strike rate, and it still looks to be climbing. So good sign, good signal from Binary Matrix Pro, and there is, of course, a $34 win. We've got a put signal on dollar yen up next. So we're going to be looking for the price to go down from 344. Back to check on our put option on dollar yen. As you can see on the chart, the price has gone in the opposite direction. So this is going to be loss number 2. All right, I've got a put signal on Aussie dollar. And we're in. Here we go. All right, with a put signal, looking for the price to go down from 110. That's our strike rate. We're about, it's continued to drop, so I'm not even going to guess, but there we go. We're about 18 pips below our strike rate, and it's still going. There's a $34 win. Our next signal today is a put on euro dollar. Here we go. All right, we've got a put on euro dollar. That is our position. It has dropped even more, still going. Look at that, like somebody threw a rock off a cliff. And that means we're going to have a $34 win. We've got a put signal on British pound dollar up next. And we are in at 0.80. Last few seconds of our put option on British pound dollar, and the price has moved in our direction. Looking pretty good. We have exited the trade and will be awarded a win here shortly. There we go, $34. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. We've got another signal here. Put on dollar yen. And position approved, 170. All right, our strike rate on this one, 170. You can see we're 2 pips above that. And for a put signal, that means bad. We've exited the trade, and this is going to be a loss. All right, up next, a put signal, euro dollar is the pair. Payout is 34 on euro dollar, and let's see what happens. All right, trading 60-second binary options with Binary Matrix Pro, sending us fully automated signals throughout our trading session. A little bit of back and forth there at the end. Difficult to say which way this is going to go. Let's see. We got a $34 win. All right, I've got a put signal on the Swissy. And ready to go. Last few seconds of our put option on the Swissy. We've got just 1 second left. We are out, and this trade is going to be a win. Look at it, just keep dropping. There's $34, folks. Here's a put signal on British pound dollar. $20 investment. Payout would be 34, and position approved at 106. All right, last few seconds of our put option on British pound dollar, and right now we're looking pretty good, about 12 pips below our strike rate. A little bit of back and forth there, but still below, and we got a $34 win. Up next, a put signal on the Swissy. Here we go. Now, you can see for yourself there, the market just shot up right after entering our position. So this is definitely going to be a loss. You can't win them all, folks. You can just win most of them with Binary Matrix Pro. Up next, a call on Aussie dollar. And position approved. Here we go. Back to check our call on Aussie dollar, and right now things looking pretty good. We're looking at about 28 pips or so. And there we go, a $34 win. Call signal up next on the Swissy. Swissy being very volatile today. Here we go. So as you can see with these 60-second options, lots of volatility in the market and as much opportunity to trade as you can handle. This one right here, a $34 win. We've got a put signal on Aussie dollar up next. Position approved at 181. All right, put signal on Aussie dollar. Entered this trade at 181. That's our strike rate. We're about 40 pips below that right now. For a put signal, that's fantastic. So that means we're looking at another win. And there we go, $34. We got a call signal now on USD Canadian. So we're going to be looking for the price to go up this time. From, come on, 516. All right, strike rate on this one is 516. It's a call option, so we want the price to go up, and the current price is 522. That is our direction, and we should be looking at another win here as soon as the broker finishes up. And there we go, $34. We've got a put signal on Aussie dollar up next. Here we go. All right, look for yourself. The price looks good. It's below our strike rate. And since this is a put signal, that's what we're looking for. So we're looking at another win. And there's $34 in the bank. Looks like we've got a Swissy put signal. And price moved a lot. All right, back to check our put signal. Right after getting that signal, before I could even get in, the price had dropped quite a bit, but we're still winning. There's a $34 winner. So that means 19 wins, 4 losses today, guys. That's going to be it from me, and we'll see you next time.